Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. I am Jack Sax, the saxophone instructor here in this channel. Today I'm going to be teaching on the topic enclosure and its applications. Alright, in case you are new to this channel, please I'd like you to kindly click on the subscribe button, and just beside it you will see a bell notification. Click on the bell notification as that will enable you to be notified each time a tutorial drops here in this channel. And for your intensive one-on-one saxophone training classes, you can reach out to me by calling the number +234 8144 058 513. I repeat, +234 8144 058 513. Now straight to the business. I said I'm going to be teaching on the topic enclosure, right? And how to rightly use it, how to rightly apply it on any song of your choice. Enclosure is one of those techniques that allows you to play around your target notes. And here are two basic factors to be considered whenever you want to make use of the technique called enclosure in your improvisation. Alright? Number one of those factors is that you are going to play a tone diatonically above your target note, and you will play a semitone below your target note. Alright, now take for instance, if key C is my target note now, right? If key C is my target note, I'm going to play what? A tone diatonically above that C, and a tone above the key C diatonically is going to be what? Key D. That shows before I come to my C, I will definitely go to my D first. And the second factor states that what? You will play a semitone below your target note also. Alright? So now I'm going to play a semitone below my target note. And to play a semitone below my C implies that I'm going to go down to my B. So before I play C, I must have gone ahead to my D and B before coming down to my C. That is what enclosure is talking about. If key C is my target note, I will first go and play D, B before C. And scale wise, if Do is my target note, that implies that I'm going to play what? Re, Ti before I go to my Do. So I will now be playing what? Re, Ti, Do. Alright? And if Re is my target note, I'll do what? Mi, Di, Re. Alright? Because a tone diatonically above my Re is Mi. And a semitone below my Re is D. Alright? So I'll now be playing what? Mi, Di, Re. So that is how it moves. And the next on the series is going to be what? Fa, Re, Mi. Then, if Fa is my target note, I'll play what? Sa, Mi, Fa. If So is my target note, I'll play what? La, Fi, So. If La is my target note, I'll play what? Ti, Si, La. If Ti is my target note, I'm going to play what? Do, Do, Ti. Now let me take it again. If Do is my target note, I'll play what? Re, Ti, Do. If Re is my target note, I'll play what? Mi, Di, Re. If Mi is my target note, I'll play what? Fa, Re, Mi. If Fa is my target note, then I'll play what? So, Mi, Fa. If So is my target note, I'll play what? La, Fi, So. If La is my target note, I'll play what? Ti, Si, La. If Ti is my target note, I'll play what? Do, Do, Ti. So in that order. Now let's hear this series. is my target note, I'm going to play what? Re, ti, do. If re is my target note, I'll play what? Mi, di, re. If mi is my target note, I'm going to play what? Fa, re, mi. If fa is my target note, I'll play what? Sa, mi, fa. If so is my target note, I'll play what? La, fi, so. If la is my target note, I'll play what? Ti, zi, la. If ti is my target note, I'm going to play what? Do, do, ti. Alright? And again, you can as well descend. Right? This scale, you can descend by playing what? So that is Enclosure series. And now let's try to apply it on a song now, right? Remember what I said? If you want to apply it, if do is your target note, just make sure you play what? A note that's tonically above your do and a semitone below your do, right? So which is re, ti, do. And if it is re, you do what? Mi, di, re. Alright? If it is mi, you play what? Fa, re, mi, in that order. Alright? So now let's try to apply this on a song titled Aka Aka Ya Aka Jehovah Nemema. One Nigerian song, right? So so mi fa so mi mi do do re ti do la do do ti do re mi re do re ti la so mi re do so do ti la do so la fa la mi fa so do so so la so fa mi. That's the tonic so far for the song. And now let's try to apply it. Can you hear that part? Because I'm going to la, so I'll play what? Ti, zi, la. Alright? Alright? Can you hear that part again? Do, do, ti, do, re. But now play what? Do, do, ti, do, mi, di, re. Now, I'm going to saw now, and I played what? Mi, re, do, re, ti, la, la, fi, so. Alright? Can you hear that again? Now I'm going to fa. So what I did was to play what? Sa, mi, fa. Alright? I'm going to mi, and I played what? Fa, mi. That's how to apply your enclosure. Alright? Now let's hear everything now. Can you hear that? It's as simple as that. So that is how to apply it, and of course you can still try that on any other song of your choice. Thank you.